is Blake with what is in my refrigerator. Okay, Blake. He just took off the screen door. Oh well, just leave it there.
Walmart. I see some butter. I see some butter. You want some butter? I see some butter. I see Tasmanian Devil Cup. Tasmanian Devil Cup. I see a baby bugs. Baby bugs. Baby bugs. Filled with some kind of juice.
It's milk.
Milk. Filled with some milk. This is probably the daycare's. Uh-oh. Gerber didn't drink his milk. Uh-oh. I see a teacup. I see a teacup.
Blake, what
Get
is
the-
that?
Get the hell out of here. I didn't invite you. I see some Playtex. I see some Playtex. Neat, neat, neat. This doesn't look like milk. What are you feeding these kids?
Milk.
I see some lemon juice. I see some sauce from Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Get the hell out of here. Hey, Ronnie, how you doing? How you doing? He's looking at the camera. Not anymore, dude. Look at Ronnie. He doesn't like us. He doesn't like me. I got some potatoes. 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 I got some peanut butter. This is my brother's favorite. And my dogs. She like it a lot. Here's some Twix. Some Twix. I see some meat. I see some meat. I see some sour. Some sour. Sour cream. I see some strawberries to eat. I see some go-go squeezies. Some go-go squeezies. And then I'll have some ketchup for my meat.
And that was Blake with what's in my refrigerator.
Thank you. Woo!